In this video lesson, I will show you what is Jump 10 Index Pip Calculator and how to use it in trading to define what is the stop loss take profit value and also how much is one pip valued. Here on the left side you have a pip calculator which you can use in trading. The link for this pip calculator will be located below in the description, and on the right side I have a MetaTrader 5 with the dairy broker which has all the synthetic indices located. I have selected Jump 10 Index here on the chart so you can see how I am using the pip calculator with the Jump 10 Index and opening a sell and buy order. Below that you have a PDF with the pip value table where all the synthetic indices are located. For Jump 10 you can see what is the contract size, what is the minimum volume, what is the maximum volume, and also how much is one pip. So you can see that one pip is defined at $0.01. Inside this PDF you will have also the formula how to calculate the pip value and also other examples with the pip calculator you can find. I will leave this table here so we can see what is Jump 10 index values. Just a minute. And let's continue. I will show you what is the pip calculator and how to use it. On the top you have a pip value in US dollar. When you click calculate, you will get here the values in US dollar. Below that you have a symbol with the drop down menu where you can select any other synthetic indices you would like to make the calculation, but in our case, in this video I will use Jump 10 Index. When you select symbol, it will automatically populate the contract size and also the point value defined by the dairy broker, which is equal to this one table. So for the Jump 10 Index, the contract size is set to 1 and the point value is set to 0.01. You can see that in the PDF that we have these values here. Contract size is 1 and the point value is set to 0.01. Below that you have a volume, which is a lot size, which is also one standard lot. You can change this volume to any other values that are available for this index. For the Jump 10 Index, the minimum volume is set to 0.01. Then you have a contract size which is predefined by the broker. It is defined and you cannot change that value in trading because it is predefined by the broker, and if you do not have this value, contact your broker support and ask him to give you a contract size. Then below that you have a point value which is set to 0.01. This value is predefined also by the broker and it defines what is one pip in the price. So in our case it is set to 0.01. When you go to the chart and you can see that the price is currently set to 2 decimal points. When the price change by 0.01, one which is on the second decimal point, this will mean that the price will change by 1 pip. And the 1 pip, when you put these values here, click calculate, you get the value of 1 pip is set to $0.01. So when the price change on the chart by 0.01, that will mean the price has changed by 1 pip and also by $0.01. Below that you have the entry price, stop loss and the take profit. These values are used to calculate the stop loss difference and the take profit difference. I will show you 2 examples so you will see how to use this pip calculator to calculate these values. For example, let's open a new order with the current market price and we are expecting that the price will drop down in value and set take profit, for example here. Our stop loss should be above, just in case if the price goes against us, so we get here order closed with some loss. How much that would be in US dollars? Let's check that by entering these 3 values here in the pip calculator for the Jump 10 Index. 84381.61 is the entry price, then we have stop loss 84572.82 and the take profit is 84014.89. Click calculate, you get the price difference for the stop loss and the take profit. If you copy stop loss price difference and put it here at the point value, click calculate, you get the value in US dollars. So if we open an order with these values, let's do that. Jump 10 index, the volume is set to 1. Stop loss, let's copy paste these values here and click sell order because we are expecting the price will drop down in value. Sell by the market. A new order has been opened with the stop loss and take profit levels, but we need to change the entry price, which is slightly different than in our example. 75.71. Click calculate and we get the correct values for the stop loss and take profit. Let's copy stop loss here and click calculate to get in US dollar value 197.11. When you go here to the chart, remove these horizontal lines so we can see stop loss and take profit. Hover your mouse over this line for the stop loss and you get the stop loss would be equal to 197.11. It is the same value we got here inside the Pip Calculator for the Jump 10 index. Let's check this one for the take profit. Click calculate, 360.82. Let's hover our mouse here, 360.82. You can see that we got the stop loss and take profit before opening an order. So you can use that Pip Calculator for the Jump 10 index before opening a new order, so you can see how much you would make or lose on this trade. So you can make a proper risk management before opening order, which is very crucial in trading. Now, for example, let's change the volume size here inside this field to get different values for the stop loss. For example, if we copy this one here, 197.11, click calculate, we get the stop loss would be equal to 197. If that is too high, you can change the volume by decreasing the volume to specific number to get close to 100. So you have a pip value, it is close to 200, which means we need to divide that by 2 to get to close to 100. So we would change the volume and divide it by 2, which would be 0.5. Now let's open a new order. And for example, let's change now that take profit would be above and stop loss would be below. Okay, let's put these values here. 84313.50 would be entry price, stop loss would be this is the stop loss, and entry price would be 84399.94, and the take profit would be 84859.65. Click calculate, and this is the stop loss difference. Let's copy this one here and click calculate. We would get 43.22. This is the stop loss value. So if you are satisfied with this stop loss, which is close to the $50, you can leave this volume as it is. But if you would like to get this to close to $10, let's put 0.1, click calculate. It is very close to $10. So you have volume to 0.1 and stop loss would be 8.64. If you open an order with this entry price, with this stop loss and take profit, you would get the stop loss 8.64. Now let's open a new order. Let's change to 0.1 is the new volume size. Stop loss is this one and the take profit is this one. Now we are opening a buy order because we are expecting the price will go up. Click buy. Now we need to change the entry price, which is slightly different. 84386.16. Click calculate. It is 72.66. Copy this one here and click calculate. You would get the pip value 7.27. Now let's check on the chart what is the stop loss. 7.27. It is the same. Now let's check for the take profit. 47.35. Let's check this one here. 47.35. Now you can see how we have used this Pip Calculator for the Jump 10 index to calculate the stop loss take profit before opening an order and changing the volume to get close to the stop loss value that we would like to have on this order. Now you can see how this Pip Calculator is very useful before opening to have a proper risk management in the trading, which is very crucial. So if you have any questions regarding Jump 10 Index Pip Calculator, please leave a comment below and I will try to make a new video with answer to your questions. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!